So normally when I take out grommets, I use my awl and I push it through the grommet to get it lifted at first, pull it out, and then simple as just pulling it out piece by piece, it should come out. This is a Diadem Elevate. You just pull it out, it should come out like a zipper. And once you get through to the head guard, I normally start through the other side. So I normally push it through, get a hold of it, pry it out, make sure I don't break it. Normally where I tie the knots, that's where it breaks because the grommet is expanded. So after I get it lifted again, I use the awl, get under the grommet. As you can see right here, getting under it. And I get under, and I try to pry it up. And if that doesn't work, I get my pliers. There you go. Got it going. There you go. And like I said, it comes out like a zipper. And once you get to where the head guard is, it's actually pretty easy to just again push it through the hole. The grommet coming out normally. And once I get enough space, I can fit my awl all the way through and pop it out. So from there, I'm able to just zipper it out. And that's how I remove it. So like I said, right here I have Diadem Elevate parts. Ordered from Diadem Tennis out of Florida. So I open it up. You always start with the head guard. You work your way through, you find where the starting parts are. Yep. And with your thumb, you line up the holes. I normally use my awl to help me line up parts too. Little by little, you work the grommet into the holes. There you go. And this right here is what your finished product should look like. It should look very flush with the frame. There should be no gaps between the frame and the grommets. And this right here is the finished product. Thank you for watching.